Hello to everyone, welcome again to Simple Tech channel. Now today we're going to see how to animate the gears in SOLIDWORKS. Now you see on the screen, you see how the gears are moving. This is the animation. Now let's stop this one. Now let's start by new. Now for this one we have to select assembly. Now after select assembly, let's cancel and close this one. Then go to the library. Let's have to go to the library. Let's make this one. Now let's select on toolbox. After select toolbox, let's come here, select ISO, double click. Now let's select power transmission. Let's click on double click. After click, come on gear. Yes, select what we call super gear. Yes, this is the gear. Okay. Now on these settings, let's have 20 module. You have 20 number of T. Let's change the number of T. Let's put 14. You see, now here we have face of width. Yes, let's make remain with 200. Now for diameter of shaft we have 40, that is right. Now the keyway you have a rectangular, that is okay. The number of T, it is 40. Now let's click OK. Now you see, now we want now to continue to create by another gear. Let's close this one. You see, this is the gear. Now let's bring another gear. Now for these settings you have to change only the number of T. Let's put 20, select 20. You see, now let's close and close this one. You see, now have two gears. Now let's select the front plane. Now for this front plane, let's sketch the line from this center. Now let's click this one. This make horizontal. Okay. Now give dimension. Let's give dimension for 600 millimeter. Now click OK. Now exit sketch. Now for assembly, let's click on this face. Right click, come on float option. Now let's click this face. Come on this mate. Let's select the front plane. Okay, now close. You see the change of gear, and I selected this face also. Click on mate. Let's select front plane. Now let's make constant coincidence. Now let's click OK. Close this one. You see now the gear it is look like. Now let's click on this point. Click mate the center of this hole. Make concentric. Then you click OK and close. So click on this point. Click mate. Now come on this hole. Click on the inside. Now click concentric. Okay. Now click close this option. Now you see the assembly is already. Now let's click on this line hidden. Now you see you can rotate. Okay. Now you see you can click on move component. Now click on collision detection. Okay. Now let's click OK. You see. Now let's click on mate. Now select mechanical mate. Select gear. Now let's see. Click on after select this one. Let's click select this face and select also this face. No, select the edge. Let's delete it. Now let's click on this face. Now remember that to have this small one have 20 tip. This one have 40. Okay. Now you see they should have a 22. Now let's click OK. Now we see the gear can move. Okay. Now let's click OK. Now let's go to the motion study. New motion study. Now let's increase the second. Let's go high. Okay, now let's click on the motor. Select this wall. Okay. Now let's give for the speed, this constant speed. Let's give RPM 15. Click OK. Now let's calculate the motion. You see how the gear are rotating. You see this motion. Okay, now for after animate this motion, okay, you can play again to see if the motion is already done. You see, okay, for this motion you can save this motion, click on here, and then select the folder where you can save this. Now click here, let's go on desktop. Now select tutorials and then open. Now let's give the name, yes, assemble 2222. Now click save this motion. Okay, now see how to calculate how to save. Yes, now you see the video is already saved. Let's see if it was already. Now come on the folder. Okay, this is have the name is assemble 222. Yes, this one. Let's open it with VLC. You see now this is the motion, how the motion is already. Okay, now let's thank you for watching this video. Now don't forget to subscribe and click share, like and comment. Thank you. Welcome again for watching the next video. Thank you.